This is a look at the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is equipped with a 5.7-liter Hemi V-8 engine providing 360 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Select Terrain Traction Management System comes with 5 drive modes: snow, sand, auto, mud, and rock. The Grand Cherokee has safety features such as parking assistance and full-speed forward collision warning with active braking. This particular model is the Sterling Edition and comes with the Luxury Group, which features a 25th anniversary badge, auto-leveling bi-xenon headlamps with automatic high beams, (20-inch) Heritage wheels, Heritage seating with heated front and rear seats, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4-inch touchscreen, 9-speaker 506-watt stereo system, and dual pane command view sunroof. To see this vehicle and others like it, come to our showroom in Beacon, New York, or visit us online at www.healeybrothers.com.